So let's start this video off by saying breakfast should not be complicated. No. So first thing in the morning you wake up and it's usually like pure chaos, at least in my house. And for breakfast, it's gotta be easy, or what else happens, you end up going through a drive-through, right? And then next thing you know, you have a biscuit. So I'm gonna show you a really quick, easy recipe that you can actually make the night before, plop it in your refrigerator, and then you can eat it the next day. Grab and go, even better. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jamie. This channel is all about some tips and tricks with Jamie, some hip hop cardio, some strength, and now we've got some recipes for you. So this is just for, a place for us real women to come together to make some stickable changes to have a happy and healthy body. That's it. And if you're like, girl, this is the channel for me, make sure you go click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if there's any other topics that you'd like to hear about. All right, so on to our recipe. So what we're gonna do is put together something super quick. It all goes in one bowl because I like that, right? Just don't even have to worry about it. All goes in one bowl. You stick it in the refrigerator overnight and you come in the next morning and you open it up and you take it with you. You could totally even eat it in the car. Here's another thing. It's high protein. So you know what that means? High protein means it's gonna stick with us for a little bit. That doesn't mean we're gonna eat it and like 20 minutes later, we're still starving. This is a good option. So stay with me, let's make it. So this is everything you need. And that protein source can really be anything. I just want mine to be chocolate. Are you like, all right, girl, what are we making? We're making batter brownies. You know how you make brownies and you want to eat the brownie mix? But you're not supposed to because, your mom always told you that you're going to catch like salmonella or something because you can't eat raw eggs. This is the perfect recipe because not only is this high protein, super easy to make, grab and go, doesn't have any eggs in it. So you get to eat that brownie batter. Oh, I forgot. So this recipe makes one serving, which is really cool because then, if you make it and you hate it, you're not stuck with like 18 servings of it. I'm actually going to make 2 servings. So just when you make it and you try it and you love it, just know that you'll have to duplicate it. Okay, so first things first, you need 1 scoop of protein powder because it's brownies. I'm doing chocolate. So I'm using my Bomar Fitness. This is protein hot chocolate. Honestly, guys, you can use a scoop of whatever protein that you have at your house or that you like. Muscle milk is a really good option too. It's almost at every grocery store and it's not like crazy expensive. So if you're just very beginning of your journey of looking at protein powders, don't go buy anything crazy expensive. Just try it first. So this stuff is legit good though, Bomar Fitness. I'll put a little link down below. So anyways, it's 1 full scoop of protein powder. So I'm gonna put that in my large bowl. So next we have 1 cup of oats, and you want to go get the quick oats. Don't get the steel oats, quick oats. So this is what I got. Quaker's Oats Quick 1 minute. The grocery stores kind of have their own brands too. So if you want to get like Myers brand or Kroger's brand or whatever grocery store that's near you, it doesn't fine. That's fine. But here's the deal: it's got to say quick. That's key here. You're gonna be having chewy oats. Anyways, okay. So what do we need? We need 1 cup. So what do we got here? Listen, I got all kinds of like fancy stuff here. It's fine. So this is 1/2 cup. Let's do that. So I said, what did I say? 1 cup? It's 1/2 cup. That seems like a lot of oats. Okay, now we're gonna go with it. We're gonna follow the recipe. Okay, so that is 1 cup of oats. And then you need 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I take that back, 2 teaspoons. Okay, you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gotta find the right one. And of course it's like gunky because my kids put stuff in it for us anyways. All right, here we go. You need 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and you want to get the natural unsweet Hershey's cocoa. This was pretty cheap. Oh, I'll be messy. What did I say? 2 tablespoons. I can't find it. 2 tablespoons. Okay, 2 tablespoons. You need 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and it's that, you know, the crumbly, so not like that, so the coarse. So the next one is we're gonna do 1.5 cups of vanilla unsweetened almond milk. And that's what's holding my camera up. Okay, protein jar for the win. One and a half cups. Whoa. Okay, we have all of our ingredients in the bowl and we're gonna stir it up really good. Make sure you get the good stuff off the bottom. Okay, so everything's mixed up and now I'm gonna pour it in a container. Now listen, you don't need a container this big. It's just, I bought these the other day and I'm like, I gotta use them in another ginormous. It works. You just have to have a really big lunchbox. All right, pour it in. Look at that. This is 1 serving. Seriously, you could probably split this in 2, but we're gonna go with it. So this is gonna go in the refrigerator overnight, which is what's gonna make our oats, in essence, cook, soak, become soft. And then in the morning, we're gonna try this, like together. Okay, stay tuned till the morning. Okay, I totally forgot to eat this for breakfast. So now it's gonna be our after dinner treat. This is our, listen, this is supposed to be 1 serving, but it's ginormous. So what I'm thinking is you could actually make this and you could probably eat on it for a couple of days. Okay, taste test. Okay, taste test. Oh, first off, dude, you can't eat it, it's chocolate. Okay, going in. I'm not gonna tell you what it looks like, but hopefully it's gonna taste fantastic. I thought it was pretty good. I'm gonna stir it up though. Ooh, good. Recommend. Okay guys, so it's gonna wrap up this really quick video, although I have a feeling that when I edit it, it's not gonna be quick. You're like, that's right, Jamie. I know your videos are quick. It's okay. So this was our brownie batter. And here's what I'm gonna tell you. I ate on that brownie batter for like days because, you know, this outro wasn't, yeah. It was really, it was good. Good stuff. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. What I would do is go get some of those cute little containers, just the plastic ones, and you can make individual servings, because even though I said this was 1 serving, I'm gonna tell you there was a whole lot going on in that 1 serving. But look, you could eat it all if you're hungry and you wanted it. Otherwise, you could divide it up. But try it. If you try it and you make it and you love it, leave a comment. And if you hate it, yeah, tell me. Maybe tweak the recipe a little bit. But I thought it was pretty fabulous. Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking with me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this channel, please subscribe. And remember, sharing is caring, guys. All right, bye, guys.